Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to get Shopify API Key. To start, open your internet browser and head on over to myshopify.com. On the left corner, select Online Store. And then under Themes, select the three dots on the upper right and then select Sales Channel Settings. On the left corner, scroll down once again. And then in here, you're going to be selecting Apps and Sales Channel. Once you're now here, you will see the apps and sales channels installed from your point of sale and your online store as well. For now, you can go ahead and close your settings. Wait for the website to finish loading this time. In here, on the left corner, head on over to point of sale. Then select Shopify App Store on the bottom corner in the pop-up. Go back to your settings page on your themes once again for now. Then in here, select Developer Apps. Then in here, select Allow Custom App Development. On the left corner this time, you will need to scroll down and wait for the website to finish loading. Once you're now here, select the green button at the bottom right. Go back to Apps and Sales Channels this time. In here, select Create an App. First, give it an app name. Then add the app developer. Then select Create App once done. Under App Development, select API Credentials this time. Once you're here, you will get the copy of your API key and secret key of your API. Then in here, select Configure API Admin Process. Go to Configuration this time. In here, check the boxes that I'm checking as well, then hit Save on the lower right. Then on the upper right, select Install App. Then in here, just select OK. App should now be installed, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.